Sunday morning. I got some work to do today on Harley. Excuse the garage, man. It's extra junky. I ain't had time to clean it up. I've been busy, but I'm about to take these pipes off. Got something new coming. So let's get started. I'm not going to be able to film the whole thing, but I'll do intervals where I come back in and check with y'all after I get stuff off. So let me get it started. I'm trying to get it done as fast as possible. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get in here and get all these bolts off so I could get the exhaust loose, and then should be able to get it off pretty easy. So I got the exhaust off, but I realized I don't have the mounting bolts for my exhaust mount. So I gotta wait on Harley to open at 12 to go get some more bolts, and then I'll be able to continue. So be back in a minute. Okay, so I ended up going to get the bolts, and I got the mount put on right there, and the side cover is back on. So now I'm gonna start working on the exhaust. And while I was waiting on the store to open, I also hooked up the side of the engine, which y'all had to see that later. Okay, fuck the install video. Everybody knows how to install an exhaust on a motorcycle. I think I've done a video on this before, so I just took her out on the road, and now you get to hear the first startup. Of course, this startup is coming through my helmet, so it is what it is, but man, does she sound good. All right. So we're out on the road now. I'm not going to even show y'all which exhaust I went with yet. I'm going to let you comment below, make some guesses, see if you can figure it out from the sound, the way the bike sounds from me riding it, and then I'll show it to you in a little bit. But I had to get it. Now, I still haven't done my updated tune. I don't even know if it needs one. It might though, because my acceleration is still there. It's just not, it doesn't seem like it's as punchy in the low end as it used to be, but it may be. It may just be the way that other exhaust sounded made it feel more punchy, but this thing sounds literally amazing. That's the one thing I love about Sportsters. They're one of those engines that have that really unique Harley sound, and it's all because of this Evo engine that's on here. You know, this is one of the most reliable Harley engines, I'd say. Like, this thing is bulletproof, and it sounds like it is too. But man, does it sound good. It's a much deeper, throatier grumble. It's not like the high-pitched sound that my other exhaust had. This one is more, and I love the sound. I like the look of it too. I'm gonna show it to you in a second. I'll pull over up here, and yeah, y'all can check out what I added on, or whatnot. And of course, whenever I work on the bike, I do a couple other little things to her. So I think I don't know if I included it in the video or not, but I did something to one side of my engine, but I don't know if you could see it in the garage that good, but I'm gonna show it to you whenever I pull over up here for a quick second. Man, this thing sounds crazy. We'll just bust a loop-de-loo right here and show you the exhaust over here on this side street. I'll just pull over up here somewhere. Okay, we'll pull over right up here so I can show you the exhaust real quick, and that'll be the video. Yeah. Oh, she sound good. Now Harley has the sound I've been looking for a while. We'll go over here in the back of this parking lot. This should be good right over here. Alright, let me cut it off real quick. Alright, so let's take a look, alright? Well, first off, as you can see now, that side of the engine is now black. Well, at least the fins right here. I still got to swap out these cords with some red ones if I can find something that I like to match my shocks. But are you ready to see what exhaust I went with? You can see it already. There we go. That's the new exhaust that I threw on there. She's dirty right now, but you see I kept this side of the engine silver still, but the other side's black. That was kind of the theme I originally wanted to go with. That's why I named her Harley Quinn, because you know how Harley Quinn has two different colors. One side's red, one side's blue. Neither one of them, well, red is my color, but blue isn't. So I decided to make one side of my engine black, one side leave it that aluminum color. But I went with the Vance and Hines mini grenades, and the name does them justice. These are some grenades. Even though they look like some sexy fleshlights, they are grenades. Them exhaust pipes sound amazing. And I noticed that I got more clearance with these because my other ones, I think, shot down a little bit more past the frame. So this gives me a little bit more clearance. The sound is mean as hell, and there's not a lot of people that got this exhaust. It's really short, really aggressive note, and I'm loving the exhaust note. So I'm loving the way Harley's coming along so far. Still a few little minor things I want to do to her. Next thing is going to be changing out the bars. I'm going with something a little different, not too high, not too low, but kind of in between. But yeah, I'm gonna crank it up real quick so y'all can hear it while sitting here at idle with me off the bike. It ain't gonna do it justice through the helmet, of course, but we'll see what we get. Woo! It's got that deep rumble. Yeah. You can't beat that sound. But I feel like she's coming along amazing. The only thing I'm not too fond of still is my spokes, but I'm getting used to them. If I ever get some mags, I get some mags. If I don't, I keep riding her like this. But let me know y'all thoughts on the exhaust. Do you think I went with the right choice? Whew. That sound is telling me I went with the right choice, but I love to get y'all opinion. What y'all think of the exhaust? What y'all think of the half and half painted engine, where we got silver over here and we got the black on this side. I'm loving the way it looks. Don't steal my ideas, people. Don't steal my ideas. But it's your boy Infinite Ryda, about to hop on here, signing out. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and comment below. Oh wee, oh, yeah, she sound good. Peace out, people.